We continue from number 41. We have number 41 here. We have solve bracket. Let me rearrange this. I can put x here plus 11 bracket x plus 14 is equal to 304. I just want to rearrange. So when you expand this x times x is x squared plus x times this is 14x, 11 times x is plus 11x, plus 11 times 14 is 154 equal to 304. So when you simplify 14x plus 11x is 25x plus 154. When 304 comes here is minus 304 equal to 0. So x squared plus 25x, 154 minus 304 will give you minus 150 equal to 0. So the two numbers that will multiply itself to give you minus 150 and when added will give you 25 is 30 and minus 5. So I'll replace this middle term with plus 30x minus 5x minus 150 equals to 0. So when you factor out, you are going to get x plus 30 bracket x plus, I think should give you, yes, x plus 30 and x minus 5 equal to 0. So let's split them out. So I have x plus 30 is equal to 0 or x minus 5 equal to 0. Going by this, what are we going to do next? So x is equal to minus 30 or x is equal to plus 5. That is the answer. So you can decide to just do it like coming to here, x, factor out x plus 30, factor out minus 5, x plus 30. So you already know how to do that. So let's go to number 42. Just a minute. Number 42, we have a fair coin is tossed out 14 times. So let's get a coin has head and tail. So I said to get the total outcome is 2 raised to the power of n because this has two faces. So let's look at this. It was tossed 14 times. So we have 2 raised to the power of 14 should give us, so when I simplify 2 raised to the power of 14, I got 16,384. That is what I got. So going by this, we are told let's get the required. This is the total possible. So let's get the required of getting, what is probability of getting exactly 7 head. Remember the total is 14. We want to get 7 head there. So this is binomial probability. This is 14 times, let's say 14 times 13 times 12 times 11 times 10 until you count up to 7 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, okay, which gave me 3,432. So the probability of getting 7 heads is equal to 3432 over 16,384. So which when reduced to its lowest term will get 429 over 2048. That is the final answer. Number 43. We have Ada spends 1 over 5 of her salary. So let the salary equal to x. So 1 over 5 of the salary, which is x, plus 3 over 10 on transportation, 3 over 10x, and saved 84,000. So you equate it to the total salary. So if you multiply each of those 10 by 10, we are going to get 2x plus 3x plus 840,000 is equals to 10x. I just used 10 to multiply each of these 10. So simplifying further, 2x plus 3x is 5x. So let's take this 5x this side. We have 840,000 is equal to 10x minus 5x. So 840,000 is equals to 5x, which when you divide by 5, therefore our x is 168,000, and which is the final answer there. So let's go to number 44. So if we check that number 44, you will discover that there is no line. They didn't give us diagram there. So we'll leave it pending until we get the diagram. We'll go to number 45. We have what is the smallest prime factor of 14,858? The answer is 2. Remember, a prime factor, is a number that can go into, that has two factors, e self and 1. See you in the next video.